Right now I am seeding this stuff they left here that I wish they could have removed with some field peas, oats, vetch, crimson clover, and some timothy grass, because that's what I have available. Ideally, winter rye would be appropriate for the time of year right now to get anything to grow before it starts snowing, but doing what we can here, so if I don't plant anything here to get it to grow in a hurry, well, we'll see what Mr. Plow attempts, but anything water-wise that comes down here, including rain and snow, is going to cause erosion problems if I don't get something in here quick to get roots into the soil and hold it in place so it doesn't all go down the hill. Hey, are you helping me plant? Are you making a mess like a good puppy? Look at this. We have privacy fence. It's going to have some boards put down at the bottom too to cover this gap. Yes, who's video bombing? Good pups. And it's also going to go across right here, over in this area, to about where that tree is, I think. But we have freaking fence. This is a beautiful sight. This is a screw you to the plow guy. And happiness for me. Privacy. I mean, you can see through some cracks if you look real hard, so that sucks, but pretty much a major improvement over the nothing that was here before. Finally. Neighbor's dog. This is funny. My puppy, my little tiny puppy who doesn't weigh 40 pounds yet, is getting that dog to go down the road. The dog is trailing my workers. Interesting. Good girl. Yes, good girl. That's right, good girl. Yeah, we are on day 3 of fence build here. And they are going to go get these bottom boards to cover that part up. As you can see, there's lots of fencing here. Trying not to film somebody's car. And yeah, there's a lot of fence here that's going up all the way down into these mailboxes, so my neighbor can't stop and gawk when he gets his mail. And all the way to here, we can't go further than that because this damn power pole and line is in the way, obstructing stuff. So unfortunately, I'm going to need to buy a fuck ton of privacy trees because the fence stops here at this pole. And if I step just to the side a few feet, we can see the whole lower pond here. We can't see the other pond that clearly, but we can see this one very clearly, so we're going to want a fuck ton more trees over here. Also, I'm afraid the town will just push snow right here. If they can't push snow against the privacy fence anymore, I'm afraid they'll push it here. So we need to get something in here. I wish we could go one more panel with the fence, but they don't want to because of the proximity of the pole here and this anchor shit. One more would be so nice though, wouldn't it? And then if we even put in one more, we still need a buttload of trees because you can still see the pond here. I mean, if I had the money and they would go behind this shit, I think they have to go like 10 to 20 feet behind the power pole. But I would definitely keep continuing with the fence all the way to the damn brook down here. If I could, you know, but that would be a hell of a lot of money, and I'm just gonna sink some trees in and hope that that eventually gives me the privacy I desire back here. So that's where we are today, November 9th maybe? I don't even know where we are right now. Dog came down this road and took off down here towards my place. I'm not too thrilled about that. I might have loose chickens out right now. My ducks ought to be safe, and my geese ought to be safe, but the chickens are stupid and they keep escaping every day. They're not in the correct coops yet, so let's hope that dog can't hurt my birds, and I don't know what it would do to goats. Hopefully nothing, because I think it takes care of sheep. But that dog that's at least 3 times the size of Pepper's over there, we definitely don't want that dog returning and being aggressive, and we don't want it going to my place. I don't know where the hell that dog just went, but it is not in sight. It took off. So that's fun. I am down in the area where I plan on renting a mini excavator and doing 2 more ponds. And I just almost lost a boot. I don't know if the state is still officially in a drought, but look at that. So this might be a tricky area to get a mini excavator into without getting stuck, especially as a beginner operator. So that'll be fun. Oh wow, very squishy. Everybody, very squishy here. My ambitions of going all the way to that tree, probably not happening. I'm not going to go up in here either because this just looks like a scenic wildlife zone over in here. It's going to be more scenic when we had a pond, but yeah, I don't know if I can get a mini excavator. Yes, there is snow on the ground and now it's raining, if you can hear the raindrops hitting the snow.